Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at, yep, you know it, IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Looking at cars and trucks and vans and something I'm very proud to take a look at. How about a Vette? Yeah, here she is, little red Corvette. Well, kind of a burgundy Corvette from 1986. And I still like the wheels. I really, really do. So we have Kumos on this one. We have a Bridgestone, on this one. We have a tint job that's kind of let go. And I'll show you the body damage here in just a little bit. The paint looks to be okay right here. A little scuffing, scratching right there, some scratches. Got a flat tire right here on a Potenza. And then what do we have up front? The Exta from Kumo. So I guess the front ones match. We do have some damage right here on the fiberglass. And then here's where she took her little impact right there. So the bumper and a fender, and I think the hood would be okay. Well, yeah, I don't think it's kind of tight right through here though. This is just dirt. Okay, so the paint survived pretty well. Find yourself a fender and a bumper, put some tires on her, and you're good to go. Nice. Damage, of course, is a collision. Let's get inside. Well, yeah, that doesn't quite line up very well. And she, wow, this is a mess. This is a big mess right here. Let's just kind of take a little seat. I hope no critters are in here with me. It looks like she's been sitting for a long, long time. Okay, the seats though are in still pretty good condition. You can kind of see there's something going on the instrument cluster. Yeah, there's no power, and I can't really get to the battery. But what an iffy car from back in the day. You got your Panasonic updated radio. You got this thing that sticks out. I've always hated that. I don't know why. They wanted to make it smell good in here. These are kind of fun, these little switches. But it's an old Vette. And I don't know, I've had so many people tell me on the channel that this is exactly what I need to get. I don't know. It would be fun. Okay, so 104,000 miles? When was this? How long has that been on there? I don't know. But these are always so fun to get out of. Yep. What does the back look like? We'll show you right here. There you go. Carpet needs to be cleaned and re-dyed. But what a mess. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen with the hood. Yeah. She's not letting go, and I don't want to damage anything. I really don't. Here they even show you how the hood goes. Yeah, I don't want to damage anything because the bumper is hitting the hood. So if you are interested in this, see, I don't want to damage it because it's hitting right here and I don't want to crack it anymore. I don't want to damage the cars. Other people don't care about damaging cars. Some of the people that come out here and look at them really don't care about them, and I can't be like that. I wasn't raised like that. So anyway, a fun looking little burgundy Corvette if you are interested in. I wonder how much will this go for, do you think? I don't know. Very risky. You're going to need some work right here too on your weather stripping. All right, let's move on and see what we can find and see what we can hopefully start. That looks great under the gray skies we're experiencing today. Even though it is cloudy, I'm trying to brighten things up and give you a happy day. Make your day just a little better. 2006 Honda Ridgeline pickup truck. 4-wheel drive with Goodrich tires on this side. The damage is right here, so something kind of scraped her. This, I don't know if you could salvage this. This seems to be kind of a nice gouge right here. You probably get another door, have this PDR'd, and then get some paint, and you'll be good to go. But I think she was really well kept. Oh, you get a vacuum cleaner. Okay. She was very well kept and very well used, which is a good sign. This side is perfect. We have matching tires, I believe. This tread looks the same. This one is a BF Goodrich. Yeah, so we have 4 matching tires. There is some scratches right here. But this would be a great truck. What do you think about the Honda pickup truck? Does it qualify, you know, to be as rugged and tough as maybe a Dodge Ram? I don't know. Let me think. I don't see a lot of cowboys driving Honda Ridgelines. I see a lot of cowboys driving the Ram trucks. On the inside, leather. Yes. Very nice looking seats. They do look like a Honda seat right out of the Accord. We have some power. So let's just kind of see what's going to happen when we turn the key. We have an oil change sticker, 49,382, and we're now, this only has 54,000 miles. Wait a second here. We've got the TPMS illuminated, 54,000 miles for an 8-year-old car. Yes, I'll take that any day. Absolutely. What did we listen to?
Assembly plant are expected now to vote in mid-April.
Okay, a little NPR on the radio. That's okay. This is cool. Little digital display. I think I like this. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. There's reverse. But she's not going into what's wrong. She's not going into drive. There it is. There's a little bump stop or something there. So she does go into gear. Yeah, she was driving on the road just fine when someone, or when this driver, I love the way they do these handles. They kind of scratch something as they run around a corner or something. All the windows are going to work because it's a Honda. See? Let's do this one. There you go. And of course, I didn't show you, but you can hear it. Nice. Air conditioning is nice. It is on. Here we go. Low, low. And it absolutely works. Oh, and this is quiet too. What's the tow rating of an 06 Honda? Huh? I don't know. But let's just take a look at the engine. Heated seats, okay? Oh, and even the back window. Wait a minute. You have a back window switch. Does that work? Oh, yes, it does. Nice. And of course, for your back seat passengers, there is room back here. This is nice. And you can put stuff under the seats, storage everywhere. You even have a sunroof. Yes. There you go. And this is how you operate said sunroof. Let's take a look at the engine. It's silent. I can't even hear it going. Oh. 3.5 VTEC that is just as smooth as can be. You have a Napa Legend battery. And you can hear the air conditioning compressor cycling. This is nice. This is a very nice truck. Yeah, once again, what is the tow capacity? I love this. And silver, it's going to be easy to match. I don't know if, I think they hit like a traffic cone or something. Maybe they were on the highway. See, does this look familiar, the orange and the yellow? It does to me. I think the owner let their son or daughter drive this and they took a turn a little too sharply and they just kind of scratched. And that's it. I love it. Get rid of the vacuum cleaner. You get some wire cutters and another tow hitch. Oh, and they were AAA plus. Okay, this is a great purchase. Man, she idles just so nicely. Let's turn off the AC. We'll go back to a normal temperature. And we're gonna say thank you for your service. While we're here, let's go ahead and do it. Let's compare the Honda Ridgeline to the Ram Hemi 5.7 liter from Dodge, or actually from Ram. I guess at this point, there is no sticker, so I don't know what year it is. We do have power. This says, where's the date? 12 of 09. So this is 3 years newer. Looks a little rough on the inside. That's okay. Here's some damage. Most of it is just right here. So your Hemi needs a hood. And that's all. I kind of like the lights. Is this aftermarket? I don't know. It looks different to me. We do have a lot of tread on these tires. So this is the Wrangler SRA right over here. You get a step bar Goodyear Wrangler SRA with lots of tread. You get another bed liner, which is fantastic. You get some landscaping mulch in the back. You get a big old tow hook, dual exhaust. This is a nice truck. This is another Goodyear SRA. And this one, once again, so we have matching tires. Okay, well, on the inside, what an easy fix this would be. She's been worked. These seats are disgusting. Look at this. A good cleaning, a good detailing would make a world of difference in this truck. Okay, on this side, I don't think it's been vacuumed in years. We had the stitching that's come off right here, so you'll need to address that. This is disgusting. We have a key right here, and that seems to be another one in the ignition. So let's just kind of see what's going on. Oh yeah. Oh. Did you see that puff of smoke? Well, is that white or is that blue? Or is it just because the engine hasn't been on in a long time? It smells kind of like oil to me. And when I first started it, yeah. Tire pressure, it says, is low all the way across. You have 219,824 miles. Oil pressure is good. Idling just fine though. You have your check engine light on. Uh-oh. And then tire pressure. I don't have my seatbelt on. We are streaming music. Turn that down. We've been charging our phone. This is nice. Let's just see what's going to happen. Yeah, she goes in gear. I don't really think about that. It is all kind of plasticky, but it is just dirty as can be right there. So she's not getting hot or anything. It's too early for that. Let's just check out what's under the hood. And the survey says one Hemi. And it sounds good. It sounds really quiet. It doesn't seem to be shaking or anything. Here's your battery. A little Sure Start battery. Fluid. That looks to be very, very, very dark for brake fluid. Wiper fluid I can't see. Coolant fluid I can't see. But as well as the engine is running, I'm not too afraid of it at all. Okay, so we do have a little dirt dauber. She was parked for a while. Somebody made her home. Two or three dirt daubers made her home. Yeah. So between the two trucks, who'd you rather? A 200 and 17,000 mile Ram or 2006 Ridgeline. Which would last longer? The Ridgeline has got fewer miles. Which will tow more? The Ram here, because it's humongous. This thing is giant. And it's fun to step into. We got some lights. We got our little remote control. It's just sticky and gross. I mean, look. Oh. Look. Okay. Let me know what you think about the truck. Is this something I should look at? I mean, I could clean that. I'm not a detailer, but I'm pretty good at it. And the back seats as well. Yeah. Not as smooth as the Ridgeline, but they do go up and down. Yeah. And does the back one go automatically or no? Or is there even a back one? There is. I just don't know if you can make it work from up here, if you know what I'm saying. As we always say, who'd you rather? Yeah, I don't know. Which would be cheaper? I bet that Ridgeline goes for more than the Ram because it's got so few miles. This is a lot. And on a Hemi, I don't know when they stopped having issues with the valve seals. You know, I had a Hemi in a 06 Jeep, and it dropped the valve seal and the engine was like crap for a long, long time. I don't know if that's still an issue in 2009, or perhaps I'm looking for smoke again. If the rings are kind of going and smoke is burning, oil is burning, I don't know. This one's kind of iffy, but it'll tow whatever I want it to tow. So let me know what you would rather. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching these walk around videos. I do this just to kind of supplement my income, and I just really enjoy making them. I really, really do. It's fun to come out here and poke around in these cars and trucks and SUVs and ATVs. I like to go in the old motorhomes and the RVs. I need to do more RVs. Those are always interesting to take a look at. I'm looking for some right now. I don't have any out here where I can go. So we'll have to maybe do that at another location. All right, but we're back with another video very, very soon. My caller is a little cuckoo today, trying to remain professional while I dig through these cars, trying to have some dignity. All right, have a good one. We'll see you again very soon. Bye, everybody.